Miss Shady of Hatasso will be introducing Hatasso Hero.
I will be talking to you about what's good with our Hatasso Hero. So this is the latest model that we have right now. Actually, it's an upgrade of our old Mako 1, which you will see over here. This is our old Mako 1. So this one, Mako 1 and Mako 2. But we have the latest and more upgraded one, which is the Hero. Ito ang hero ng bayan. Bakit natin masasabing hero ng bayan? Dahil ito yung makakatulong sa atin, especially for those people who doesn't know how to drive, and for those people na merong fear talaga of driving and don't know how to, to drive along the highway, tsaka walang lisensya. Of course, we Filipinos, we want to save money, di ba? Alam naman natin, di ba, yung lisensya ngayon, sir, di ba, magkano ba yung kukuha ng lisensya? 10,000 to 15,000, sir, di ba? So, mahal. So, yun. Bakit siya natawag na hero? Because this is our family hero, which we will, if we want to run our errands, we want to go out, and we don't know how to drive, and you don't have your husband with you. Yung husband natin yung may dala ng car, tayo hindi natin alam kung paano mag-drive ng sasakyan. So this will be our partner in life, our hero in life. That's why the name of our model is Hero. Ayan. So, match na match yung pangalan. Hindi lang sa pangalan, bakit kami nagbebenta ng yun, but yung main purpose is to really give you the best product that Hatasso can offer to our customers. Okay, I will be talking to you what's upgraded in our latest Hero. Of course, as you can see, if you compare the two, the room is already upgraded. So now it has leather material already. And then our old Mako doesn't have any leather material, and it's almost full covered already. And then the speed is 20 to 25 kilometers per hour. And then one thing that I like with the new Hero is there is a USB port already. Parang kotse na po yung namin, yung mga e-bike namin. Hatasso just started, mag 1 year pa lang po kami in the business, but we're really soaring high because we target the market and we say that the market that Hatasso is doing is really, really effective and really catch the attention of the public. So this one, if you want to check Hatasso, our controller is still 48 volts and 48 or 60 volts or 35 ampere, and we have 48 volts for the battery and 32 ampere lead acid. So we're using lead acid because it is really proven safe and effective, especially for Filipinos, and especially for our climate here in the Philippines. We don't know, and pag mainit talaga, sobrang mainit talaga, and we don't want some things happen in our battery. That's why we really push on lead acid battery because it can really withstand the heat and yung talagang sobrang init ng climate, which is really fit for the Philippine weather. Okay, for the distance, so ilang kilometer ba ang kayang dalhin ng isang Hatasso e-bike or isang Hero na e-bike? So, pwede po tayong umabot ng 70 kilometers per 70 kilometers po. So 60 to 70 kilometers. And then yung speed, very safe yung speed kasi 20 to 25 kilometers per hour lang po. But then, good news, why? When you try, if you want to test it by yourself, hindi lang po siya 25 kilometers. Pwede pang sumagan hanggang 30. Pero, what's the good thing with 20 to 25 kilometers per hour? Ang kagandahan nun, pasok na pasok po tayo sa requirement ng LTO. So hindi na natin kailangan pang i-rehistro yung e-bike natin at hindi na natin pa kailangan magkuha ng lisensya. Ganon yung ibigay natin sa customer natin para wala nang question at pwede nilang dalhin saan man yung e-bike nila. So for the storage also in our new Hero, we also have wider storage at the back. As you can see from here, meron siyang wider storage. Meron din tayong storage for our Mako 1. But for here, it's more wider storage. And then, yung lights natin, ito yung pinakamagandang feature na nakita ko for our hero is the dual eagle eye headlight. Ayan. So napakaganda niya. If you will compare with other brands, yes, they have this kind, but si Hataso talaga, we're really focused on the design itself because we're a brand, we're really protecting our quality also. So that's why, as you can see, pagsakay mo pa lang at paggamit mo pa lang ng e-bike namin, masasabi mo na talaga quality talaga yung mga units namin. So sikat na yung brand, maganda pa yung design, mabilis pa siya, pasok pa sa bulsa, pasok pa sa LTO, hindi tayo harangin. So that's really very, very good news for everybody. And for those na medyo traditional pa, parang hindi pa fix yung mind nyo, nagda-doubt pa kayo, kung talagang safe ba yung e-bike, yan po yung purpose bakit po kami nandito at nag-TTS na init or lamig or ulan. Actually, yung weather hindi natin alam kung talagang ulan because we received some bad news, but we never give up because we want to bring our quality product to Bohol. So, much more of that. As you can see also on the side of our Hataso, ang ganda po ng hydraulic natin, tsaka may mga markings din po tayo. And then, yung fender po natin, sir, is stainless na po yung fender natin. And then the horn also is much more louder, parang nakakotse ka na, yung busina. Talagang, yung iba kasi yung fear nila, pag naka-e-bike, hindi daw naririnig. So, that's why we try to improve the dual horn of our unit para kahit malayo pa lang, rinig na merong e-bike. So don't fear, even maulan o umaraw, yung Hataso e-bike natin would still be standing and can really use in any condition. If you want to experience later or if you want to, if you want to check our models, you can come here. You can also visit our area. You want to get some freebies. Ang dami nagtatanong, maraming brand. Pero bakit si Hataso late maglabas ng product? The reason why, because we are brand. We do not rebrand. And if you are brand, we must make sure that our quality is really very good. So that's why we study first before we launch. So that's it. That's the reason why, as you can see naman, ang daming mga e-bikes sa market. Pero iba pa rin talaga pag na-try nyo si Hataso. Okay, so I think that would be all. I encourage everyone to come over. Thank you also for the media who just arrived. Thank you so much. Experience our Hataso Hero. Come over now and experience our e-bikes. So, anong maganda dito sa dalawa? Actually, maganda kasi kailangan yung presyo affordable, di ba? Number one yan. Okay. Magkano ba yung Hero natin? For the price of only 33,990, and you can avail our Hero for as much or ayan, ito yung price natin. So, ito. So, you can avail the unit for at least 1,586 per month. So, for credit card, it's 2,832 pesos. So, yan po yung Hero natin. It's already 48 volts, 20 amperes lead acid. Tapos, merong 400 watts na dinamo po yung yung Hero namin. If you can see, meron siyang, yung display. So, you can see may odometer po ito. So, you can check kung ilang kilometers na yung takbo mo. Tsaka yung speed, you can also check yung speed niya. And then, yung range niya is to 20 to 30 kilometers per hour. It's 35 to 40 kilometers per hour. And then, yung range is up to 50 kilometers. So, kaya hanggang 50 kilometers po kaya abutin ito. Basta, make sure lang, yung load weight natin, you will just have to check with your load weight kasi pag overload tayo, yung distance maapektuhan po. So, instead of 50, so, yung aabutin niya mga mga 25 to 30 kilometers. So, just monitor the speed. Load weight capacity dito is 120 kilograms ang load weight capacity. So, this one, ito yung Haro. Ito yung pinakamabenta sa amin. And, majority ng mga stocks na meron is si Save and Earn lang. So, magkano ba? Ayan.
magkano ba yung Haro natin? Okay, you can avail our Haro for only 43,590 pesos. So as much as, actually you can avail it through credit card, you can also avail in home credit, which is good news, naka 0% po lahat ng model namin. 0% home credit, and then mabilis pa yung approval. So it would take only like one minute to process your application. So, ano ba yung meron sa Haro natin? Okay, number one, Haro is very, very convenient. Why? Ang target market ng Haro kasi is for those, especially for the elderly. As you can see, para siyang parang motor ng pang siya, PWD. Mabenta namin to dahil mostly yung mga customers namin are senior also. That's why, that's our purpose bakit nilagay dito. Dahil may mga senior na bike enthusiast talaga at saka hanggang ngayon gusto pa rin magmotor. But then the family wants their safety talaga. Yun po yung Haro natin. Yung distance niya, umaabot po ng 40 to 50 kilometers po yung distance. And then, maganda dito, 500 watts na po differential motor yung ating Haro. Okay. Price is 43,590. So this is also Niro. And then, our cheapest model, we call it Hatasu Kumi. Ito yung bike for everybody. Why? Kasi mura lang po ito. Pag may 20,000 na po kayo, makakabili na tayo ng e-bike. So, makapalit na tayo, sir, 20 mil lang din siya. 20 mil. And then, ang iyang specs, 48 volts, 20 ampere na siya. Duha niya ang among Kumi na ay Kumi Night, and then naapoy Kumi Standard 2023. Ang difference nila is yung ampere lang. So, 48 volts, 12 ampere, yung isang Kumi Light, which is lower than 20,000. So, magkano ba yung Kumi Light? 18,000 lang po yung Kumi Light natin. So, yung mga wala pang budget, yung mga nahihirapan pang bumili ng medyo mahal na unit, kasi alam naman natin pag motor talaga inuutang natin, ma'am, di ba? Actually, hindi na mahirap kasi meron tayong home credit ngayon. Lalo na, pag meron kayong record ng home credit, naku, kahit 800 pesos, pwede nyo nang makuha yung e-bike nyo. So, pag meron kayong offer, just come over. Kasi merong mga offers, lalo na yung mga existing clients ng home credit. Na-experience namin sa BQN ICM, 800 pesos lang, my God, nadala na yung e-bike niya. Okay? So, ganyan kaganda pag 0% tayo sa home credit. Okay? It's time to change and it's time to protect our Mother Earth. So, eto, no gas kasi to, hindi na kailangan ng gas. And yung premium, naku, baka pumirik yan. No, hindi po. It's a matter of time management, and also you have to manage the battery life of your unit. So ano ba kailangan natin gawin para tumagal at saka hindi tayo tumirik sa daan? Of course, meron tayong indicator kasi sa mga e-bikes natin, sa battery indicator. Check natin. Pag 20% na, okay, we need to recharge. And we also need to know how to take care of our units. Huwag kayo mag-alala, hindi po kami nagbibenta ng unit na wala pong after sales at wala pong proper care and maintenance. So, naka-package po yun. So, when you come over, you can test drive our unit. After you test drive our unit, then we will ask our home credit. After we ask our home credit, may offer ba ako? Wala. Kung wala, mag-download na home credit application. Kasi no matter what, may record kayo, wala. Pag nag-download kayo, meron chance na magbibigyan kayo ng offers. Very convenient po siya kasi hindi po lahat ng customers natin makaka-avail talaga ng ganun kalaking amount para bumili ng isang unit. And they are really been helping us for quite a long time already, and proven talaga na marami po kaming sell out because of home credit. Okay, so we have all the models here. We have Hatasu Haro, we have here Hatasu Kumi, we have Hatasu Niro, and we have our latest model. We have here our Hatasu Hero, and our Hataso Mako. So that would be all for the product. So feel free to come over and visit Panglao Mart. This is the last day. Please come over po. Thank you so much.